How to fix screen not turning off on Samsung Galaxy S26. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here's to click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to end, click on developer option. So after click on developer option, you will see stay awake is showing here. So if you want to fix screen not working, not turning off, so first of all turn on this button. So you will see, so after turn on you will see your problem is solved. So if it not solved, so turn off this button, you will see. So after turn off stay awake button, you will see a problem is solved. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh on. So that's how you can fix screen not turning off Samsung Galaxy S26. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.